Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to retwist some locks, no style. So we are just going back to the basics and retwisting some locks. So first and foremost, we're going to go into our product. I use the lock and twist gel. I definitely recommend using this gel. A little bit goes a very long way. It doesn't cause any buildup or anything like that. Whatever product you use plays a huge part in how your retwist turns out. So this is just a product that I found works best for me out of all the other products that I've used. It is like the best product, so I just 100% recommend getting this. As you guys can see now, I ended up sectioning off of his hair and I sectioned off the back, and I'm just cleaning up them parts first before I clean it up with any gel. And you want to try to clean it up to where you're not trying to pull hair out of the locks, but you're gonna have to pull some hair apart because that's just how locks are. You gotta pull some of that hair apart, but try not to pull the hair out of the locks, if that makes sense. When you're retwisting the hair, you'll understand what I'm saying. And then I'm going in afterwards with the gel and just cleaning them parts up, doing the same thing. Try not to pull the hair out of the lock, but you're gonna have to pull some hair apart that gets stuck together. Okay you guys, so now when retwisting the hair, I make sure all the other hair is out of the way and I part it. And once again, you want to just clean them parts up. Sometimes you can put gel on the part to clean it up. You don't always have to do this with everybody's locks. It's just not the same for everybody. But for his, you know, he has high density hair, so I went in and I cleaned them parts up some more, and then I clipped the other hair away. And then I go in with some product. You don't need too much product with this product that I'm using. You just need a little bit, and I go around on all the edges and clean it up a little bit. And then you want to twist the hair to the right. If I believe that's counterclockwise, so you want to twist the hair to the right. Most people's locks are twisted to the right and they're started that way. If it's not, then you could twist it to the left, but for the most part, everybody's locks are started to the right. So you want to twist it to the right, and as you can see, I'm kind of just wrapping that excess hair around the lock and moving my hands in a forward and back motion. My thumb and my middle and index and point finger, I'm just kind of like rubbing them together back and forth on the lock to just get all that hair in there. And I kind of go down on the whole lock too and just kind of rub my fingers on it and try to wrap any excess hair just to clean up the whole lock. Even though at the end his hair still looks kind of frizzy, but he just has really thick hair and high density locks, so his locks are actually small, but he has small parts, but his locks look really thick. But yeah, doing the same thing here, and you guys can go ahead and see what I'm doing. And as y'all can see, I clipped it away with a large clip because what I'm gonna do is put multiple locks in the clip. You can use individual clips, but I find that they usually like get in the way and they end up taking up so much more time. So I recommend, you know, and this mainly goes for people with smaller locks, you know, using a big clip and kind of just clipping the hair in sections, because it just helps keep everything more organized, I feel like, and out of the way. It's definitely something that helps me move a bit faster when, you know, doing the hair. And I kind of do that for like maybe 3 to 2 rows depending on how thick the hair is, and clip it all in sections. as y'all can see here, I kind of clipped, I believe, 3 rows of the hair together in sections. Then I started a new row, and now I'm going on my new sections of clips and all that. Okay, so now I made it to the top, and as you guys can see, I have some of the hair going to the back and some of the hair going to the side. You really just want to follow the pattern of the locks, and you know, some people have their locks in the front of their face, some people have like a middle part. So really just following the pattern of the locks. And I'm gonna have to make way more videos on this because there's just so many different kind of locks and different ways you have to deal with them. So right here I'm just kind of trying to figure out, you know, which way the locks go, and I ended up realizing that the locks, another row of the locks went back. So as you guys can see, I have that row at the top that's going back, and then now here I'm just retwisting the side and all of that. And then after that was done, I put my client under the dryer for about 20 to 25 minutes. And for the first 10 minutes, I put it on the hottest level. And then after that, I put it on cool. Making sure the hair dry is definitely like the most important step because it keeps the hair together and help the retwist last as long as it possibly can. You really want to make sure that their hair is dry. If you don't have a head dryer, you can use a blow dryer. And you're just gonna have to stand there for a really long time. But I definitely recommend investing in one of these. You can get it off of Amazon. So yeah. And we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and leave any questions, comments, or concerns.